Very good morning, Doctor. We are from Group 4, and I will start to present the architecture for our group projects. So, our group projects have been awarded to build a multi-shopping complex. So, from ground 4 until level 3 is the shopping complex, and level 4 and above is the apartment. So, each level of the apartment we have 10 houses. So, this sum up for 50 houses in this project. So our projects, we also include some basic facilities such as the escalator in the shopping complex and also the lift for the apartment. So we have two part of lift, which is the commercial use and also an emergency use. So I will sum up for my presentation and my members will continue presenting. Thank you.
To start, I will present about the template of our Microsoft Excel. The columns are divided into 10 sections, which consist of item, tasks or activities, start date, end date, duration of project, planned project cost, weightage, actual project cost, progress of construction project, and the timeline of the project. Next, for the task and activity, we plan the activity based on the bottom-up approach. This is to validate the timeline of the project and our initial budget assumptions. Our tasks are divided into site preparation. This consists of work of site clearing, site surveying, soil testing, and site plan design. Next, for the construction stage, our tasks are divided into foundation, or also known as work below lower floor finish in BQ, or substructure in the construction term. Works that are involved during this stage are construction of piling, pad footing, column stump, ground beam, and also ground slab. Next, for the superstructure construction, the element of building that is involved consists of frame, wall, roof, staircase, door and window, finishes, louvers, glazing and balustrade, lightings and fixtures, plumbing and sanitary, heating, ventilation, and also air conditioning system, elevators and escalators, and landscaping. After the completion of the building construction, we will then allocate a week for project closure. The purpose of project closure is to review and evaluate the project success or failure. After the project closure process was completed, handover of building to client is done. The start date of this project was on 1st of April 2021, and the end date of this project was on 1st of March 2023. Basically, it took 1,521 days for the overall construction of this project. Next, as the construction work went smoothly as planned, the total amount of the planned cost and the actual construction cost were tallied. The weightage column in the Excel represents the percentage allocation of cost for each work or activities from the overall amount of construction project. The progress column represents the percentage of work done. As you can see in the screen, the figure shows that when the percentage changes, the actual cost will also change. Finally, for the S-curve, it shows the cost allocation in a cumulative data of the cost against the time.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about the Microsoft project. So Microsoft project is the software provides customizable templates and visual roadmaps for project planning. So the function of this software is to assist the project manager in developing a schedule, assigning resources to tasks, tracking progress, managing the budget, and analyzing workloads. So for our group project, we have to construct a mixed development project which has mall and hotel. So we have to plan the schedule for all activities involved, including the person that will be in charge for each of the activities. So after do the network diagram for this project, we identified that this project has one critical activities, which is the installing of internal shielding finishes. Then there are 3 workers that have worked over the schedule. So there are are the bricklayer, civil engineer, and the painter. So to overcome this problem, we create a new resource level to balance the work schedule beyond the working days. Thank you.
My name is Shavarina and I will be presenting the overview of our group's Microsoft project. The first one will be activities and Gantt chart. It consists of 35 activities altogether. Our project duration is 2 years, starting from the 1st of April 2021 and it ends in the 1st of April 2023. This is our overview on the Gantt chart and activities. The list of activities are stated there. And for our working time, our working days is every day and working hours is 8 hours per day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is our working time for April 2021. The next one is April 2022 and this is April 2023. For our CPM, all activities were given at least 1 day gap before starting or continuing new activities. We only have one critical activity, which is internal ceiling finishes. There are no gaps between predecessor and the successor of this activity. It could have been more if there were no slippage in about 20 activities. For our CPM, there were 20 activities with slack time. All these activities were regarding finishes, except internal ceiling finishes, and all activities regarding mechanical, electrical, and sanitary. This we believe exists due to the slippage, which is missing succeeding activities. Okay, this is the example of activities with slack time and no successes. And our critical activity is internal ceiling finishes. Thank you.
Salam sejahtera to our Dr. Yamani. My name is Patrick Malini and I will present about our Navy's work manage. So our presentation will explain about the stages of our Navy's work of the timeline. So firstly, the first stage is our soil works, and then we do the piling, foundation, and ground slab. Next one is we build the beam, column, and upper floor slab. We make this floor by floor so that it is according to our schedule. As you can see, there are also the walls that is on the way being built. And then the next stage is the exterior and interior wall, door and window. And lastly, the last stage is the curtain wall, finishes and completion. In this stage, we finish is at the end of the schedule. And next, I will show the timeline itself. Okay, thank you very much. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shukri bin Al-Bakar. Today I will present about conclusion for our project. So basically our project took 2 years to complete. Our project started on 1st April 2021 and the end date of this project is 1st April 2023. Total actual cost is 75,074,400 ringgit. Our project is mixed development including shopping complex and apartment. The first to third floor a shopping complex, and the fourth and above is apartment. And our project is ready on time on 1st April 2023. So that's all.